Here I have Nokia 6 and let me show you how to enable backup feature on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the list of all applications right here. Then you have to find and select the settings. Scroll down again and right here you should choose backup and reset. Select backup my data, and in order to enable backup feature, let's use this switcher. Let's go back. Now you need to set the backup account, so let me do it. Let's choose add account. If you have added some Google accounts, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account. Here the device is checking info, so now it's important to have the internet access, and right now you need to sign in into the Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can choose more options and create a new account, or you may also use the existing Google account. So let me do it. Let's tap close and let's enter the email. Tap next. Now let's enter your password. Let me do it. Alright, if you are ready, let's just simply tap next right here. Let me fix my password. Something is wrong with my password. Alright, let me tap next one more time. As you can see now, everything is just fine. Let's agree to terms of services and privacy policy. The phone is checking info one more time and getting the account information. Here you have to decide either you would like to automatically back up to Google Drive. Let me leave it enabled and let's tap agree. So that's it. As you can see, you just enable backup my data feature and add necessary backup account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.